With all honesty yan ha, Donnie and Belle ha, with all honesty, nire-rehearse nyo pa yun o talagang hindi na?
Yung kilig, hindi nare-rehearse yun, syempre. Pero kasi, to be honest dati, nung nag-start pa kami, hindi namin pa nagigets yung emotions ng isa't isa, yung ibibigay ng isang character sa isang eksena, how we'll give and take. But you know, after working with each other, I think for this specific series, yes, we would rehearse yung lines and stuff, or yung actions for the most part, but ang ginawa namin, and direct also really allowed us to have this free spaces. Whatever happens na lang sa eksena, yun na lang yung mangyari. Kasi kung masyado mong i-rehearse yung kilig tsaka yung mga tingin, hindi na magiging natural. So, ayun, parang mas napipil na lang namin yung scene. We're just being in that scene,
In the
being in that
moment.
character, yes.
So yun ang mapanood namin, natural na yun.
Yes, sana. I think, kasi you can't fake it eh. Hindi mo naman pwedeng i-fake yung kilig, di ba? So, yeah, totoo, kinikilig ako sa scenes namin. So, and yeah, we do rehearse yung actions, yung lines namin. But then, I think what makes it natural is that when we react with it, paano kami mag-react sa isa't isa.
Yung, last na lang po, yung kilig kasi, hindi yun na-fake eh, di ba? Talagang natural yun. So may something ba? Kaya natural?
Siyempre kami ni Belle. Sobrang genuine lang namin sa isa't isa. So, lahat ng pinapakita namin siyempre, napipil talaga namin. Naka-episode 1 and 2 pa lang tayo ha, so marami pang pagdadaanan si Matt and siya. So, get ready for the more killing scenes and the more light scenes.
Alam ko hindi ka naglalay kasi hindi namumula ilong mo.
Tama!
Di ba? Nanood ako
Napanood.
Nanood talaga ako. Belle, ikaw, your answer to that.
Giniginaw po ako. Yeah. I'm just really happy that I get to do this with him, and I'm grateful that I have him in my life.
Wala, uwi na. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you, Belle.